Hi, hello, welcome back again to my channel. So today on the occasion of Christmas, I thought to visit church. Every year Christmas के दिन church जाकर praying with a candle makes me happy. This year also I went one of the famous and ancient St. Mary's Basilica Church, which is located in Archdiocese of Bangalore. It was built by Tamil Christian migrants from Jinj. It's a panchayat town in Veluppuram district, Tamil Nadu, in the 17th century. It is the first church in the state and oldest churches in Bangalore, which is located in Shivaji Nagar. Beside this church, there was a huge hall. वहाँ पे मदर मेरी एंड जीसस का एक स्टैचू है. द हॉल वॉज completely decorated with the flowers which was looking so beautiful. Number of people praying and lighting the candle in front of Jesus and Mary. The basilica has been built in Gothic style arches and stained glass windows. So यहाँ पे कुछ interesting things and facts देखने को मिलेगा that Mother Mary is most important festival celebrated in Basilica, a novena which is a Catholic ancient tradition of devotional praying which consisting of prayers repeatedly for 9 successive days or weeks. यहाँ पे novena फर्स्ट 9 days मनाए जाते हैं from 29th August to 7th September. On September 8th, it will be celebrated as a holy fest on the day which Mother Mary was born. यहाँ पे कई सारे statues भी है अंदर and in the time of Christmas there will be a stall which will be used for the decorative purpose. क्रिसमस ट्री, सांता क्लॉस और भी कई सारा जो क्रिसमस के टाइम क्रिश्चियंस उनके घर में डेकोरेटिव पर्पस के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं. बहुत ही सुंदर था वो भी. There was so much of crowd because it was a popular, one of the ancient oldest churches in Bangalore. That's why यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं क्रिसमस के दिन. So the architecture and the arches, as you can see from this view, it looks so beautiful and attractive, and also the people gathered outside here. So in this building there was an exhibition also, but it was closed when we went there. Here there are some of the calendars for upcoming 2021 New Year and some of the books. So next मैं आप लोगों को लेकर जा रही हूँ 46th annual cake show in St. Joseph's Indian High School ground, Bangalore, near Malya Hospital and opposite to UB City. So it has started from December 18th. It will remain till Jan 3rd. So from the 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. and there is an entry fee also, including CGST and SGST, that is rupees 90 per person. It is the entrance. As you can see, that is a grand cake which shows a replica of Lion King baby cake and a leaning tower of Pisa, which is in Italy. So this is the starting, and first is the board which will salute all the persons like doctor, nurse, media, reporter, police, protected and helped us in pandemic. So after the Lion King and the Leaning Tower of Pisa, these are all the cakes. Nearly 20 different themes of cakes you can see in this cake show. Creepers with Ganesha statue. Next is a replica of coronavirus. And the third one is the creepers, again creeper cake with the different colors of butterfly. This is the rotating horse riding cake which you can see in different exhibitions for kids. And next, which is so attractive again, it's looking like a wooden doll but not, so it is a cake. Next is the Christian hut representing the Jesus Christ. This is the Doraemon, which is an all-time favorite for all the kids. This is the 5 creepers cake completely in white color. And this is most beautiful and so attractive again, which is a Nataraja statue again from the cake. So this is the hanging creepers cake. Next is MC Queen car cake, which is attractive for kids. So this is one of the creature called Mike Wazowski cake, which is a character in monster movie in Hollywood. This you can easily recognize, which is a Tom and Jerry, where Jerry is in burger. So next is the dragon lizard cake with the creepers, which is looking horror. And afterwards, this is the family mushroom cake. So this is a long Joker cake where Joker is in a peak, which is very colorful. This is a owl and Harry Potter book, so that they have represented over here. So next is creature of centaur from the Greek mythology, which is the upper body of human and lower body with the legs of horse. This is the Eiffel Tower, which has made from cake or wafer biscuits. So this is the end of all cakes, around 20 cakes in this cake show. So here there is also a pram that is a pink and white in color. That is a pram which is again so beautiful. Once we exit from there, we can see a lot of stalls. So all food stalls, and वहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो सांता भी है, as it was a Christmas day. Santa is center of attraction, and this is the entrance of the National Consumer Fair, where you can see the different states home decor items, household furnitures, kitchen appliances, different items, which helps us to make a shopping or to understand the benefits, features and uses of all those items. It was so looking different, unique for all the home decor items and the interiors. There was also a Punjab Rajasthan cotton kurtis and the saris, handloom shirts, Rajasthani different varieties of pickles, different types of biscuits and wafers, Mysore special condiments, ladies jewelry ornaments. Different game shows was also there. Here I am taking a cotton candy, which is one of my favorite. मैं यहाँ पे आपको जल्दी जल्दी दिखा रही हूँ because of time constraints. So it is a exhibition cum consumer fair where you can see different states items in a one exhibition. So this is one of the game show where my husband is also participated. That's it. This is the end of the cake show cum National Consumer Fair. So this is the exit where you can see again the food stalls. So that's it for today. Next I will meet you. Bye.